Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Good morning students, welcome to Maths online class. Next one in linear inequalities chapter is that how to solve a system of inequality, system of linear inequalities in two variables. Okay, so system of inequalities means what? You have more than one inequality in that. Okay, you can see now you have two inequalities, x greater than or equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to 2. Suppose you are given one inequality to solve graphically, then you know how to solve that graphically. Okay, same type you have to solve these two inequalities also, but not in the separate graph, separate Cartesian plane. You have to solve these two inequalities in the same Cartesian plane. Okay, so now what we done in that solving the inequalities. First we removed that inequality symbol by equal to symbol. Same thing here also you have to do. X is equal to 3. If you remove this first inequality, you will get x equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to 2. In that if you remove equal to symbol, you will get y is equal to 2. You know that x equal to 3, that is the vertical line passing through 3 on the x axis, and y is equal to 2, that is the horizontal line passing through 2 on the y axis. In the same Cartesian plane, you have to draw the graph of both the lines. Okay, x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So draw Cartesian plane, x axis and y axis. Okay, and you have to mark points at equal distances up to 3 enough, x o, x dash, and the remaining part also you can mark, but no use now for this. 1, 2, 3. This is the y axis, y o, y dash. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now x equal to 3, always x equal to something, that is a vertical line. Okay, passing through that number on the x axis. Okay, suppose you have x equal to a, then that is always a vertical line passing through this number on the x axis. Okay, and y is equal to some number, that is always a horizontal line passing through this number on the y axis. Okay, so that basic you have to keep in mind, then easily you can draw this x equal to 3. Now x equal to 3, that is the vertical line passing through 3 on the x axis. Okay, so you have to draw one vertical line passing through 3 on the x axis. I drawn continuous line. Why? Because you have slack inequality. In both you have slack inequality, so you can use a continuous line to draw that. Okay, so now this line name is x equal to 3. Now y is equal to 2, that is the horizontal line passing through 2 on the y axis. 2 on the y axis is here. You have to draw one horizontal line passing through that on the y axis. Okay, so now this line is what? This line is y is equal to 2. Now you have to shade the solution region of both inequalities. Okay, x equal to 3, x equal to 3, that is this line, and here you have inequality x greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3 means so I already said that x greater than a means to the right side of x equal to a line you have to shade, and x less than a means that is to the left side of x equal to a line you have to shade. And in the same way, suppose you have y greater than or equal to b, then you have to shade above this line y is equal to b. If you have an inequality like this, y less than b or less than or equal to b, then you have to shade below the line y is equal to b. Okay, equal to b is here, less than b is here. Less than or equal to b means this line and this shaded part together is the solution region. Y greater than or equal to b means equal to on the line and above that are also solution of the given inequality. Now you have x greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3 means which side you have to shade. X equal to 3 is here, x greater than or equal to 3 means to the right side of x equal to 3, that you have to shade. Okay. So this is what? This is x greater than or equal to 3 region. Now you have another inequality, y greater than or equal to 2. Y greater than or equal to 2 means above the line y is equal to 2, that you have to shade. Okay, above the line y is equal to 2, if you shade that will be the solution region of y greater than or equal to 2. Now what is the solution of these two inequalities together? Now you see both the shadings are common in which region? Both the shadings are in which region? That is the common solution region. Common solution region means that is the common solution for both the inequalities. Which is the common solution region? Common solution region means both the solutions are in which region? Both the solutions means both the type of shadings, green shading and this violet shading, that is there in which region? You can see that is there in this region. Okay, so that region is the common solution region. Common solution region means in that region how many points are there? That points are solutions of these both inequalities. Okay, so what is the common solution region here? That is this part. Okay, I'll shade that darkly. So in this region you can see both the shadings. So this is the common solution region of the system of inequalities. This system of inequalities. Okay, thank you. Next system of inequalities you have to solve graphically is this one, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. You have three inequalities. Okay, all these three inequality symbols you have to remove by equal to symbol, then you will get a 3-line equations. Okay, all that 3 lines graph you have to draw in the same Cartesian plane. Okay, and after that you have to shade the solution region of all these three inequalities. All that shadings meet at which region? That region will be the common solution region. That is the solution of this system of inequalities. Okay. So now first you have to remove all these inequalities by equal to symbol. So you will get 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, first line, and second line x equal to 1, and third line is y is equal to 2. These two lines we can draw directly without finding the points. Okay, but this line we don't know how the direction of that line is, so for that reason you have to find 2 points, any 2 points you can find of this line. Okay, x, y. I'll take x is 0. If x equal to 0, these are rough steps. Okay, no need to show in exam rough steps. When x equal to 0, in this equation you will get 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. That gives you 0 into n is 0, 2y is equal to 12, and that gives you y is equal to 12 by 2. 2 once 2 6 times, y is equal to 6. Okay, so in y column write 6. Next I will take y value 0. Okay, when y is equal to 0, in this equation what you get 3 into x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 12. Okay, this term vanish, 2y term vanish when y is equal to 0. So then 3x is equal to 12. So that gives you x is equal to 12 into 3, another side as by 3. 3 once 3 4 times. So x value is 4. So in x column you have to write 4 for y is equal to 0. So these 2 points we mark first in the Cartesian plane. Okay. So draw Cartesian plane in that x axis and y axis. And you have to mark points at equal distances on both axes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 enough on the x-axis. So I marked only 4 points on x-axis, and on y-axis since you have 6 in the y column, up to 6 you have to mark. Further also you can mark, but no use now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This much enough. This is x-axis xo, x dash. This is y-axis yo, y dash. Okay. Now we mark these 2 points in the graph. 0, 6. First point is 0, 6. That is here. Highlight that point. 0, 6. Next point is 4, 0. That is here. Okay. And join these 2 points by using which line? You have slack inequalities in all these inequalities. So you can use a continuous line to join that 2 points. Okay. Joining, and you just extend that in both direction. Okay. And immediately after drawing the line, you write the name of the line. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay. And now you have to shade the solution region of this inequality. Now because of this line, you have two half planes, okay, upper one and lower one. In which half plane you have solutions, okay, of this inequality. To decide that, we take a checking point 0, 0. You can take a checking point 0, 0. Always if a constant number is other than 0, or like this 12, then you can take a checking point 0, 0, because 0, 0 will not be on the line, on this line. Okay. Checking point 0, 0 means x place you have to use 0 and y place you have to use y coordinate, that is 0 in the inequality. Okay. For which inequality you are taking this checking point, for that inequality you have to replace x place by x coordinate, y place by y coordinate. So then we get 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 less than or equal to 12, and 0 into anything is 0. So here 0 plus 0, that is 0, less than or equal to 12, and 0 less than or equal to 12, that is the correct inequality. Always if a checking point gives correct inequality, then that implies what? You have to shade the half plane containing the checking point. Now which half plane is containing the checking point? See, lower half plane, in that you can see checking point. Okay, since you got correct inequality, you have to shade that region. That region is the region containing the checking point, means below the line you have to shade. Okay, so shade below the line. Below the line, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So one inequality solution is over. Next inequality is x greater than or equal to 1. For that line is x equal to 1, that is a vertical line passing through 1, okay, on the x axis. So draw a vertical line. This is what? This is line x equal to 1, vertical line. And you have inequality x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1 means to the right side of x equal to 1 line. So you have to shade to the right side of vertical line x equal to 1. Okay, like this. Okay. So now that green shading that represent the solution region of x greater than or equal to inequality. Now we go for y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means that is a horizontal line passing through 2 on the y axis, that is here. Okay. Sorry, y is equal to 2. So this is your horizontal line, y is equal to 2, and you have inequality greater than or equal to, y greater than or equal to 2 means above the line y is equal to 2. For that you have to give shading. Okay. So show shadings like this above the line y is equal to 2. Okay, so now this orange shaded region, that is the solution region of this third inequality, y greater than or equal to 2. Now all these three shadings are common in which region? That region is the solution region of these three inequalities, system of inequalities, means that is the common solution. Common solution means in that region how many points are there, that points are solutions of all that three inequalities. Okay, so in which region you have all three shadings, violet shading and green shading and orange shading. See here in this triangular region, I will highlight that region. Okay, in this triangular region, what you have? You have orange shadings and green shadings. Okay, and you have violet color shading also. So this is the common solution region, and I will highlight that. Okay. So if you see in your graph, in this region you have all three color shadings. Okay, orange also you have, and green color also you have. Now you can't see because I shaded by white color, and you have violet color, green color and orange color. All three colors shadings are there in this region. So I highlighted that region, and that region is the solution of this system of inequalities. Okay. Next problem is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. You have to remove that inequality symbol by equal to symbol. So then now you will get lines 2x plus y is equal to 6, and here 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay. You have to, after that you have to draw the graph of these two lines in the same Cartesian plane. Now you have to find out, to draw the graph of these two lines you need 2 points. Okay, find 2 points of first line using table xy. I will take x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this term will vanish. Okay, you will get y is equal to 6. So y place write 6. And if y is equal to 0, I will take now y is equal to 0. If y is 0, this term will vanish. You will get 2x equal to 6. That gives you x equal to 6 by 2. Imagine that steps mentally. Okay, x equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay, we mark these 2 points in the Cartesian plane. Draw x-axis and y-axis, and mark points at equal distances. Okay, on x-axis you need up to 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and on y-axis up to 6 you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y-axis YO, Y dash, and x-axis is XO, X dash. Okay, first point 0, 6, mark that 0, 6, it is here, highlight that. Then next point is 3, 0, it is here. Okay, after marking 2 points, you have to join that 2 points. To join you have to use now continuous line, because you have slack inequality. Okay, so use the continuous line to join that 2 points, and you extend that line in both the direction above and below, and write the name of the line 2x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, now you have to decide which half plane is the solution region of this inequality. For that you take a checking point 0, 0. You can take because constant number is other than 0. Okay, so take 0, 0 for this inequality. Means x plus 0, y plus 0 you have to use here. Okay, so 2 into 0 plus y plus 0 greater than or equal to 6, and left side simplifies to 0, because 0 into anything is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, greater than or equal to 6. Whether this inequality is correct inequality? No, right? 0 is less than 6, that you know, but here we have 0 greater than or equal to 6. So this inequality is a wrong inequality. If you get a wrong inequality, then which half plane is the solution region? Half plane not containing the checking point will be the solution region. Since you got a wrong inequality there, you have to shade the upper half plane. Why upper half plane? Because in the upper half plane you are not having a checking point, that is in the lower half plane. Okay, so upper half plane, that you have to shade. Okay, so first inequality solution is over. Next second inequality, for that we got equation of line like this, and to draw the graph of that line you have to find 2 points. Okay, I'll take x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this term will vanish. You will get 4y is equal to 12. That gives you y is equal to 12 by 4. That is 3. If you can't do directly like that, you can do steps in a side. Okay, for that steps there is no any marker. And next we take y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means this term will vanish. You will get 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 into 3 another side as by 3. 12 by 3, that gives you 4. So mark these 2 points, 0, 3. 0, 3 point is here, and 4, 0. Here you have 4. 4, 0 point is here. Okay. After that, after marking that 2 points, you have to join that 2 points using continuous line. Okay. So draw a line that second one, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 using a continuous line, and you extend that in both direction. Okay. And this is your line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. And now which region you have to shade to decide that, take a checking point 0, 0. Okay, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in this second inequality. So then we get 3 into 0 plus 4 into y plus 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 into anything is 0. So left side you have 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12, that is the correct inequality. Correct inequality means you have to shade which region? You have to shade the region which is containing the checking point 0, 0. Now see your line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. In the lower half plane of that line, you have checking point. Okay, 0, 0. So you have to shade the lower half plane of this line. Okay, so we are shading that region now. Okay, now this is what orange shaded region is the solution region of second inequality. Now both the solution regions meet in which region? That will be the common solution region. Okay, I will highlight that common solution region. See, orange shading and green shadings are in which region? You can see green shading and orange region in this region, right? So that region I will highlight, that is the common solution region. Common solution region means in that region which points are there, that points are solutions for both inequalities. Okay, so you have two types of shadings in that region. Okay, so that is the solution for both the inequalities. So now here you have common solution region. Okay. Next system of inequalities you have to solve is 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. Remove that inequality symbols by equal to symbol. So then you will get 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Both represent the equation of a line. Okay, you have to draw the graph of these two lines. For that, find 2 points of both the lines. I will take x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, these are rough steps. Okay, when x equal to 0, this first term will vanish. You will get a minus y is equal to 1. Okay, here. And but we need here plus y. So you have to multiply by minus symbol on both sides. So then you will get a y is equal to minus 1. So y value is a minus 1. Next, when y is equal to 0, what we get a x value? When y is equal to 0, this term will vanish. 2x is equal to 1. So that gives you x is equal to 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 in x column for y is equal to 0. Now we mark these 2 points in the Cartesian plane. Draw x axis and y axis and mark points at equal distances. Okay. Now since you have minus 1 and half, I will take 1 centimeter as a half units now. Okay, half 1 and 1 and half 2, like that. Now we need both side of both axes. So I'll mark on the negative side of both axes also. Okay, y dash o y, x o x dash. Okay, what we take now 1 centimeter as a half units. Okay, half 1, 1 and half, like that, 1 and half and 2. Now here half 1, 1 and half and 2. Now here minus 1, minus half, minus 1. Okay, here minus half, minus 1. Now first point is 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1, that is here, highlight that point. Next point is half comma 0, that is here, half comma 0. Now you observe inequality symbol, you have strict symbol, right? If you have strict inequality symbol, you have to use a broken line to join that 2 points. Okay, so use a broken line to join that 2 points. If you draw only that much, you will get a small line. You can't find common solution region. So for that reason, you have to extend that line in both directions. Okay, without changing the direction of your scale. Don't change the direction of your scale like this or like this while extending. Okay, so now this is which line? This is 2x minus y is equal to 1 line. Okay, is equal to 1 line. Now which half plane of that line will be the solution region? To decide that, take a checking point 0 comma 0. Okay, take 0 comma 0 as a checking point for this inequality. So then now you will get 2 into 0 minus y plus also 0 greater than 1. Left side simplifies to 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 is greater than 1. Is it correct? 0 is greater than 1. We know that 0 is less than 1. So this is what? This is a wrong inequality. If you get a wrong inequality, you have to shade the half plane not containing the checking point. Okay, which half plane is not containing the checking point? See here, you have this line, and below this line you have lower half plane. In that half plane you are not having a checking point, so you have to shade the lower half plane of this broken line. Okay, now we go to next line. X minus 2y is equal to minus 1. To draw the graph of this line, we need 2 points, only 2 points enough. When x equal to 0, what we get? See, when x equal to 0, in this line you will get 0 minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so that gives you minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So since you have minus sign here, we need a plus y, right? You have to multiply by minus on both sides. So you will get 2y is equal to 1. That gives you y is equal to 1 by 2. So y value is what? Y value is half. Then when x equal to 0 over. Next when y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, in this equation you will get x minus 2 into y plus 0 is equal to minus 1. So you will get x equal to minus 1. Okay, x equal to minus 1 for y is equal to 0. Now we mark these 2 points in the same Cartesian plane. Okay, 0 comma half. 0 comma half is here. 0 comma half, that is this point. and minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, that is here. Okay. Now you have to join that two points using which line? Using a broken line, because here you have strict inequality. Now both inequalities are strict inequality symbols. Okay. So you have to use a broken line to join that. If you draw only this much, then you can't see which is the common solution region. So what you have to do is you have to extend this line in both direction. Okay. So now this is your line x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Now which half plane of this line will be the solution region for this inequality? To decide that, take a checking point 0, 0 for this inequality. So then now you will get 0 minus 2 into y place also 0, and symbol is less than, and next you have minus 1. Left side simplifies to 0. 0 less than minus 1. Either 0 is less than minus 1, 0 is greater than minus 1, right? So this inequality is a wrong inequality. So that shows that you have to shade the half plane not containing the checking point. Since you got wrong inequality, you have to shade the half plane not containing the checking point. Now see this line, green colored line, and above that line you are not having a checking point. So upper half plane you have to shade. Why? Because upper half plane is not containing the checking point. So shade upper half plane of this x minus 2y line. Okay. So this is the solution region of a second inequality. Green colored shadings that are for what? I'll extend this first inequality solution region. Okay, because now you can clearly see which is the common solution region. Okay, common solution region is which region? In which region you have both the solutions, both the shadings, both colored shadings, that region is the common solution region for that inequality. Means in that region how many points are there? All that points are solutions for both inequalities. Okay, that are the solutions for both inequalities. So I will highlight that common solution region. Okay, in this region can you see both the shadings, orange and green shadings? So that is the what common solution region. You have like this. Okay, that will extend above, and here you have broken line. No, in both you have broken line. Broken line indicates that points on that are not in the solution region. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Points on that broken line are not in the solution region. Next inequality, system of inequality is homework for you. Fifth one, x plus y less than or equal to 6, x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Easily you will get 2 points if you take x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Okay. Next inequality is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8 and x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Remove inequality symbols by equal to symbol. So then you get 2x plus y is equal to 8 for this, and here x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Draw the graph of both lines. Before that, find 2 points of these two lines. Okay. X, y. When x equal to 0, this term will vanish. You will get y is equal to 8. When y is equal to 0, you will get 2x equal to 8. That gives you x is equal to 8 by 2. That is 4. Okay. We mark these 2 points in the Cartesian plane. Draw x axis and y axis. On x axis up to 4 enough. Okay. But here I think we need up to 10. So up to 10 we mark. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. x axis xo x dash and y axis on y axis up to 5 enough, but there we need up to 8, so mark up to 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8. Y axis yo y dash, x axis xo x dash and mark first point is 0, 8, 0, 8 that is here. Okay, highlight that point. Second point is 4, 0 that is here. Next what you have to do, you have to join that 2 points. Before joining, just see the inequality symbol, you have slack symbol, so you have to use which line, continuous line, to join that 2 points, and you extend that line in both the direction, above and below also. Okay, and write the name of the line, that is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, now we have to find which half plane is the solution region for a first inequality. For that we take a checking point 0, 0, because constant number is other than 0, you can take up. Easily you can check for this checking point. X plus 0, y plus 0. So then we get 2 into 0 plus y plus also 0 greater than or equal to symbol, and you have 8. Okay, left side simplifies to 0 greater than or equal to 8. Whether 0 is greater than 8 or no, right? So this is what? This is a wrong inequality. If you have a wrong inequality, then you have to shade the half plane not containing the checking point. In the upper half plane, you are not having a checking point, right? So you have to shade a upper half plane of this line. So shade that. Okay, so this is the solution region of first inequality. Second inequality, that we removed inequality symbol by equal to symbol, we got a line like this. Now you have to get 2 points for this line, x, y. When x is equal to 0, this term will vanish, you will get 2y is equal to 10, that gives you y is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now we take a y 0. When y is equal to 0, you will get x equal to 10. Okay, so first point you have to mark for this line is 0, 5, that is here 0, 5. Next 10, 0, that is on the x axis, that is here, highlight that 2 points. Next you have to join that 2 points using a continuous line. Why? Because you have slack inequality symbol. Okay, so join that 2 points. I think you need a bigger scale here. After joining, you have to extend up. Okay, now I think no need to extend, this much enough. Okay, now this is a line of x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, now which half plane you have to shade? To decide that, take a checking point of 0, 0. Put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in this inequality. So then you will get 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than or equal to 10 for a second inequality now. Okay, left side simplifies to 0 greater than or equal to 10. Whether this correct? We know that 0 is less than 10. So this inequality is a wrong inequality. Okay, since you got the wrong inequality, now you have to shade the half plane not containing the checking point. In which half plane you are not having a checking point, that half plane you have to shade. Okay, now this is your line of x plus 2y is equal to 10. In the upper half plane of that line, you are not having checking point, that is in the lower half plane. Okay, so you have to shade which part? You have to shade upper half plane. Okay, so shade that. So now this is the solution region of second inequality. Now you see both colored shadings are in which region? That region is the common solution region. Can you see in which region you have both type of shadings? Green shadings as well as orange shadings are in which region? In this region, right? Here you have, I'll shade that. See, this is the common solution region now, okay? Solution region for both the inequalities. Common solution region means the solution which satisfies both the inequalities, okay? This is your line x plus 2y is equal to 10, okay? Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.